Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of resolving the vouchers rejected by the GST portal while uploading them from Tally Prime. When you upload the vouchers on the GST portal, they might get rejected for incomplete or incorrect information. Previously, it took a lot of time for you to identify the rejected vouchers and generate the rejection report. In addition to that, you had to identify the vouchers in Tally Prime and refer to the rejection report to resolve them. With the connected GST experience, Tally Prime Release 5.0 makes resolution of the rejected vouchers a cakewalk. You get informed about the rejection in Tally Prime while uploading the vouchers. You can then easily navigate to the relevant report to identify the reason for rejection and resolve the vouchers. Let's see how to do it. Press Alt+Z and go to Upload GST Returns. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Consider that you are uploading these vouchers on the GST portal. Press S to send. As you can see, there are a few rejections during the upload. Now, press Alt+G. Type R1 and open GSTR1. Drill down from Rejected from GST portal. You can view the vouchers and summary that got rejected with the reason for rejection. As you can see, the party GSTN is inactive. Let's open the voucher. Press Ctrl+O and select GST portal view of invoice. You get to know the reason for rejection in this report too. Press Escape to get back to the voucher. Press Ctrl+Enter on the party. Let's change the GST registration type of the party to Unregistered Consumer. Enter the effective date. Press Ctrl+A to save the master. In the voucher, in the Party Details screen, select the GST registration type as Unregistered Consumer. Press Ctrl+A to save the voucher. Similarly, here the summary is rejected because of the length of HSN SAC. You can see that the reason for rejection appears against the rejected HSN SAC. Open the voucher. In the GST rate and related details screen, let's specify the correct HSN SAC. Press Ctrl+A to save the screen and then press Ctrl+A to save the voucher. Press Escape and you can see the voucher and summary under Not Uploaded. Press Alt+Z and go to Upload GST Returns. You can view the voucher pending for upload. If you want to re-upload some vouchers, then press F8 to include the uploaded ones. You can select and upload those too. Here let's press F8 to exclude the uploaded ones. Press S to send the vouchers. You can see that the upload is completed. However, if the upload is still in progress, the red dot on the notification icon appears again. You can then try to refresh the GST status after 15 minutes or so. As you saw, Tally Prime Release 5.0 makes it simpler for you to resolve vouchers rejected by the GST portal. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl+F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance.